There's a moment when you walk through the right front door when the searching stops. You notice the light first, the way it falls across the hardwood floors, the warmth of the fireplace, the quiet. This is a home designed around real life, not the life you see in magazines, but the one you actually want to live. 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a primary suite on the main level so the mornings are easy, and a kitchen with granite countertops and room to actually cook, actually gather, and actually be together. Upstairs, a bonus room waits for whatever your family needs it to be. A playroom today, a study tomorrow, a retreat for whoever comes to stay. And outside, the oversized 3-car garage, the kind of space where projects get started and hobbies finally have room to breathe. But what makes this home is where it sits. Lochsa Falls is one of Northwest Meridian's most established communities, named after one of Idaho's wildest rivers, designed with the kind of intention that shows. Parks, tree-lined streets, a cascading waterfall entrance that tells you every single day that you've made a good choice. Costco around the corner, schools nearby, the library, the things that make a neighborhood feel like home. Some houses you visit, this one, you stay.